Most people think banks were created by governments or kings, but the truth is way crazier. The entire modern banking system, credit, branches, accounting, was built by one family in Florence over 600 years ago, the Medici, and their innovations literally reshaped the world. Before the 1400s, Europe had wealth, but almost no way to manage it. Moving money between cities was dangerous, loans were unregulated, and the church forbade usury, meaning interest couldn't legally be charged. So merchants hid money, kings went bankrupt, and the economy constantly stalled. Europe needed a financial system that didn't exist yet. The Medici started as wool merchants, nothing special, but they had something powerful: trust. People believed the Medici were honest, stable, and discreet. And in a world without banks, trust was currency. So when Giovanni de' Medici founded the Medici Bank in 1397, merchants lined up. They didn't just want to store money, they wanted someone who could move it across Europe safely. The Medici built branches in Rome, Venice, Naples, Geneva, London, and more. A merchant could deposit money in Florence and withdraw it in Bruges without carrying a single coin. This was basically the first international banking network. Instead of physical money, the Medicis issued letters of credit. These were pieces of paper that represented real value in a Medici branch elsewhere. This made trade explode. Suddenly, the world was connected on paper. This is the foundation of every business today. Before the Medici, bookkeeping was messy. They standardized it. Every transaction had a debit and a credit. This allowed accurate balance sheets for the first time ever. Since every city-state had its own coins, the Medicis specialized in converting money. Their branches tracked exchange rates daily. They basically created the first foreign exchange market. These innovations didn't just make the Medici rich, they made them politically untouchable. Popes used the Medici Bank. Kings borrowed from them. The family funded wars, controlled trade, and sponsored the entire Renaissance. Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, Botticelli, none of them create what we know today without Medici money. So next time you use online banking, swipe a card, or send a wire transfer, you're using concepts invented by a family of merchants 600 years ago. And the Medicis didn't just build wealth, they built the blueprint for the modern financial world. And they proved that when you innovate how money moves, you change everything. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more fascinating tales from the history of money. Next up, the first stock market, how Amsterdam invented capitalism.